Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So, today is going to be a very different day because, okay, this is going to be story time. So, as you all know, well, if you keep up with my videos, we recently rescued a cat. Her name is Midnight. So we brought her here. We already have 3 cats, so we brought her here, and things just didn't work out. After she got accustomed in a household, she just started harassing my cats. Like, Onyx literally to this day cannot sleep around her. Like, she sleeps in my room now ever since we got Midnight, and she's over here. She's waiting to get out. But Onyx literally cannot sleep out there anymore. She sleeps in my room every night because if Midnight's out there, she cannot sleep out there. If Midnight's around, she cannot eat. If Midnight's around, she cannot poop in peace because Midnight harasses them. Like, she's like an annoying sibling times 1,000. So we all decided that we just have to get her rehome because she's just not a good fit for our home with our cats. So today we're going to take her to San Diego to get her rehomed. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. I don't know why I repeated myself. So it's 7:15 right now, and we're going to leave around 10 something or maybe 11 something so we can drop the packages off that we packaged yesterday. We'll drop those at the post office, and then we'll head to San Diego to take her away. Basically, that's really all for today. But anyway, guys, listen, I know yesterday I said my video was gonna be like 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. Basically, it's like, I tried. It's the thought that counts. I genuinely, truly tried, but I didn't know I had that much content. But you see, the beginning videos, you know, the introduction to everything is usually longer. Like, my next video should not be that long, and it literally took like an hour or 2 hours to upload and then process. So I definitely do not want like a long video like that again. So I will try and like cut my content down. Like, any unnecessary things that I don't need, I would just won't put in the video because I don't want these videos to be long. But that's what's happening today, and I just ate. I just showered, ate. Now I'm going to be feeding the cats at 8 o'clock, and then I'll just be knitting until it's time to take Midnight, until it's time to go to the post office, and then take Midnight to San Diego. And then I'm going, during the trip, like, San Diego was like an hour away, so during the trip I'm going to bring my knitting stuff and my camera, of course, and batteries so I can knit. So that's what's happening. Let me guys show you. Let me guys see, I said it again. Let me show you guys Midnight for the last time, because this will be the last time you guys ever see her, and it'll be the last time I ever see her. So let me show you. Come here. She does not like being held at all. And Midnight, say bye. Say bye, Midnight. Bye, Midnight. Bye, Midnight. Bye, Midnight. But yeah, that's what's going on. Let's just get to knitting because I'll just be knitting. I'll be knitting for most of the day. So let's get it, guys. Okay, so we're getting ready to go to San Diego for midnight to get her rehomed, and now we just have to find her and put her in her carrier because what? But yeah, because it's time to go. I don't know where I was going with that sentence. Here she is. Hey, Midnight. It's time to go. Okay, I got her in there. It took a while, but she's in and it's time to go. She's trying to get out. I know. We'll let you out later. Time to go. I haven't been in a car in so long. Okay, I lied. I haven't filmed in a car in so long. Okay guys, so we just dropped Midnight off. I have a clip like right before this, but she is officially gone, and the person, like the facility we went to, they don't euthanize animals unless like they're sick and it's super severe. So they gave us, like, we dropped her off and then they gave us an ID number we can call to see if she's been adopted and all the other stuff. And yeah, so she's gone, and at least my cats will finally know peace once again. So I'm not sad because she was really tormenting the other cats. But she was a good cat, but she's just meant for another house, and I know she will find another home, but just not with us. And that's all with her. So we're heading back home, and actually after this I'm actually going to do my advent calendar and end this video because it's already long enough. So that's what I'm gonna do, and let's go. Okay guys, so I'm finally home so I can show you guys day 2 the yarn. So I'm going to slowly open it just like I did last time because I like the fact that I could peel it back. So I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, okay, I got it. So let's see what this one looks like. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh wait, I forgot I wanted to show you guys the day before one and then the current one. So hold on. Okay, so this was the one from yesterday. So it's like this kind of like brownish purplish color, and then this is the one from today. So it's gonna like fade. I'm assuming it's gonna like get lighter since it started off like this dark. So this is the second one. This is day 2. It looks so pretty. So this one's more like purple. Let me stop swinging it around so you guys can really see how it looks. It's really zooming in on my face. Okay, I think you guys can see it like that. It's so pretty. Like, I love this color. I love the purple and then a white with it. This really doesn't have like, it doesn't seem like as brown to me as this one, but that's how it looks so far. The fading, I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look in the end. Like, I wonder what the last like color variation kind of thing is gonna look like. But that's it so far. So day 1 and day 2, and that is the end of this vlog. But let me see if you guys can see these two a little better before I end this off. So that's how these two look. This is day 1 and day 2. But yeah, so let me put this back so I don't forget which one belongs in which one, and then I end up not with a faded look. So that's day 1, and then day 2. Okay, so I officially opened 2 of the advent calendar thingy, and I think my brightness is too bright. Okay, I think that's better. But that is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video, which will be tomorrow. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.